morning, my dear children of class 2. This is your ma'am S.T. Joshi, and I am here to teach you computers. And I'm sure, children, you are going to enjoy these lessons. You are not going to get bored, I'm sure. And I am also sure that you enjoyed your lessons in class 1 and you still remember them. I know you do remember because you are smart and intelligent students with a very good memory and you remember everything. And so from today we will start our computer class of class 2. Okay, the first lesson is computer and electronic device. Computer and electronic device, and I'm sure that in class 1 also you have learned a little bit about computer being an electronic device. Now what is an electronic device? An electronic device is a device that runs on electricity. What does it run on? Electricity. Yes, right. Now there are many appliances in your home, many things you use that run on electricity. Can you name some? Okay, let me help you. Fan, fridge, mixie, washing machine, right? And many other things, they run on electricity, and even a computer runs on electricity. So that is why it is known as an electronic device. Now let us see that what all are we going to learn in this lesson. So what will you be able to know? In this lesson you will be able to list out how computers are an electronic device. Compare a human and a computer in their ways of working. How does a computer work and how does a human being work? What do you mean by human being? It's us, हम लोग, मनुष्य, इंसान, we are known as human beings. And what are our ways and what are computer ways? We are going to differentiate. Then we are going to we are going to know about the advantages and disadvantages of using a computers. Everything has an advantage and everything has an disadvantage also. Okay children, so let's start reading, and as I am reading I want all of you to take your books. Okay, as you're watching this video you can also take your book in your hand or you can read along with me as I am reading. Okay children, let's start. Computers have touched all parts of our lives. The way we work, the way we learn, the way we live, and even the way we play. Now what does this book is trying to tell us? This book is telling us that this lesson is telling us that computer has touched all parts of our lives. Okay, everything is computerized nowadays. Even our mobiles, it is all computerized. Okay, when you go, have you been to a metro station? That is being computerized. And everything, many things, even our washing machines, our mixie, many things, many gadgets and video games, everything is computerized. Do you go to ATMs to draw money or to deposit money? Yes, everything is computerized and it has touched. कंप्यूटर ने हमारे लाइफ के हर एस्पेक्ट को हम टच किया है, असर है उस पर हमारा. आज के समय पे हम कंप्यूटर्स के बिना कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हैं, हम अधूरे रह जाएंगे काम करने में. दिस इज़ व्हाट दिस इज़ ट्राइंग टू से. नाउ लेट्स रीड फर्दर. वी यूज़ कंप्यूटर्स टू टाइप डॉक्यूमेंट्स, play games and send emails. What do we use computers to? Type documents. We type documents, okay, on with the help of a keyboard. We play games on the monitor, okay, and we send emails. Maybe wherever your father is working or your mother is working or somebody from your family is working in some firm or in some office, they might be sending and receiving emails. Email is a kind of an electronic message. Do you send messages on WhatsApp or text messages? Yes, you do. In the same way, on a computer, through emails like Gmail and Yahoo and Rediff mail and many other Hotmail, we send and receive messages. Okay, we also use it to get information from the internet. And nowadays internet is very much in. Okay, without the net we are like incomplete. हम बिना नेट के एक incomplete अधूरे, हमें नेट की बहुत ज़रूरत है. Even you know when teachers they make these videos for you for lessons on different topics, on different subjects, we upload it on YouTube. Okay, and that is internet, so that you can watch it whenever you want to. So now next, what does it say? A computer is an electronic device that works on IPO cycle. A computer is an electronic device that works on IPO cycle. Now, what is this IPO cycle? Input, process, output. Input, process, output. It is primarily used to input data and process it to produce the required final output. For example, have you seen a mixie? Yes, I'm sure many of you, most of you might be having mixies at home. Okay, how do you make a mango shake? Children, do you like mango shake? I know many of you like mango shake. Even I love mango shake. So how do you prepare a mango shake? You take a mango, right? You put it inside you peel it, उसको हम छीलते हैं, and then you put it inside the mixie, and then you add some milk, and then you cover it with the lid, and you switch on the mixie, and it goes round and round and round and round, and then you take a glass and pour out the mango shake. So what is the input in this process? When you are putting the mango, after peeling the mango and cutting it into pieces, when you are putting it inside the mixie, that is known as input. Okay, and when it is going round and round inside the mixie, getting mixed, all mushy and mixed up, that is the processing. वो प्रोसेस हो रहा है, उसमें बन रहा है मैंगो शेक. ओके, एंड व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग अ ग्लास एंड pouring out the shake, that is the output. Okay, now in the same way we work on a computer. Now what is the input device? How do we input things inside the computer? We use a keyboard or a mouse to input. Okay, and who does the process? The CPU does the processing. Okay, and then where does the outcome come? हमें उसका outcome कहाँ मिलता है? On the monitor or on the printed paper. Okay, now if you want to do some calculation, how will you do the calculation? आप calculation को कैसे करेंगे? You will type few numbers. If you are adding, you will write 2, then you are, with the help of this keyboard, you will write 2, then you will put a plus sign, and then you will write 2 again, and then equal. And when you are pressing enter inside on the keyboard, the CPU starts to process within seconds. Okay, within microseconds the CPU starts to work. वो प्रोसेस करने लगता है. जैसे कि अगर आपको कोई कहे कि चलो 2 + 2 करके बताओ कितना होता है. ओके, कम ऑन, व्हाट इज़ 2 + 2? सो यू what in your body, which body part does starts functioning? Your brain starts functioning. Okay, जब आपको कोई कहता है, when somebody says 3 + 3, what is 3 + 3? Then you start adding. Where do you add? In your head, in your brain, the processing starts. So this CPU is the brain of the computer. जो ये CPU है वो कंप्यूटर का दिमाग है. जैसे आपका दिमाग चलता है वैसे ये CPU चलता है. Okay, and when the computer gives the what is 2 + 2? 2 + 2 is 4. Okay, and where do you see the result? आपको कहाँ दिखता है वो result? On the screen, on the monitor screen or the printed paper. That is the output. Okay, I hope you have understood this input, process, output. Input, process, output. Okay children, I hope you have understood this much, and I want all of you to use a computer copy, which is an interleaf copy. What do you mean by interleaf? Interleaf means one side plain and the other side should be lines should be there. Okay, and single lines. Okay, single lines on the single line paper. On the first page or on the second page, you write computer and electronic device. Okay, and then on the left side, which is the plain side of the paper or your copy, you draw this keyboard and write input. Then under it you write CPU. Sorry, you draw keyboard, you draw the CPU, and you draw the monitor. Okay, and write and do the labeling: keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor, and then also write like this: input, process, output. Okay children, what you can do is on one page you can, on the left side, on the plain side, आप अपने कॉपी के लेफ्ट साइड पे जो प्लेन साइड होता है, एक पेज पे आप कीबोर्ड बनाइए, पेज को पलटिए, उसके दूसरे प्लेन साइड पर लेफ्ट साइड पर CPU बनाइए, फिर उसको पलटिए और फिर मॉनिटर बनाइए. ओके, देन इन द कमिंग डेज आई विल गिव यू मोर असाइनमेंट्स टू डू. Okay children, I hope you have understood this much, and you also read this lesson once more.